Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the A50 down and removing the ear cushion to access the mic joint. This saves time and prevents electrical issues. Once done, use a plastic pry tool to lift the cushion edge gently and expose the boom mounting. Inspect the visible screws and the mic plug for obvious play. Tighten only if you see a loose screw. Make sure to keep screws sorted and avoid over-tightening. Small headset parts strip easily and cause worse play. You now focus on the joint where the mic meets the ear cup. Tighten the mounting screws carefully because snug is firm enough. Over-tightening damages threads. Next, remove the boom plug and clean contacts with a cotton swab lightly moistened with isopropyl. Dirt causes poor seating and looseness. Once cleaned, reseat the plug fully and test the fit. If wobble remains, insert a thin foam shim or swap the tiny retaining clip to take up slack and restore a solid connection. You finish by snapping the cushion back in place and powering the headset on to run a full mic test. Speak at normal volume and monitor input levels. Once done, adjust mic gain in your device settings to ensure clarity. Make sure physical movement doesn't change gain or cause noise. If the mic still feels loose or degrades audio, swap in a known good spare boom or contact Astro for a replacement. This is the key troubleshooting step if hardware repairs don't hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.